Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Chipotle. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open a web browser to get started. Go ahead and type in chipotle.com in your web address bar and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site for Chipotle. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. Now, in the expanded menu, you will need to click on the Personal and Preferences option. Right where you see My Info, click on the Edit button and enter your first name you'd like to change to. You can also go ahead and change your last name. Go ahead and do it on the next field and finally click on Save Changes. Soon after you save your change, you will be able to change to a new name on Chipotle. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.